So project goals for this, and these were laid out by the Brisbane staff as well as the council when they signed this contract, is of course to inform, engage, and involve the community. This is a big effort. Developments for the next decade at least are going to be compared to these objective standards that we adopt as a result of this project. Of course, number two is to maximize local discretion. Front load your discretion through really developing a vision and developing objective standards that are consistent with that vision. So in the end, your plan is what you're planning to do, and there's a script and a formula that housing builders can follow in order to gain approval, and that's consistent with the city's expectations. Three, understand the current zoning constraints. So we're talking to property owners, we're talking to affordable housing developers, and understanding how would standards translate into objective design standards so that homes can actually be built. And then, of course, amend the zoning ordinance to incorporate these objective design and development standards for new housing development. So community engagement is going to be ongoing. It's already started. As I mentioned, it's mid-March now. We know that in community engagement will go on through the entire adoption process throughout 2021. We want to inform the community what the legal requirements are, engage the community to understand what the community preferences are in terms of physical design, and then of course go into the area where property owners will be most effective. That's in the SCR 01 zones and the NCR 02 zones, where you'll see more multifamily development in your downtown area and the area around that.